In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into HDR effect. So let's get started. Duplicate your image. Go to Image, Adjustment, Desaturate. Then go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Adjust the radius to 20. Now Blending Mode, Overlay. Duplicate the first layer. Now Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust radius to 10. Now Blending Mode, Soft Light. Now Adjustment Panel, Levels. Now Adjustment Panel, Color Balance. Add a new layer. Now Blending Mode, Overlay. To enhance some details, use Brush tool. Adjust the layer opacity. Select the adjustment layers, then group. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.